Hello my friends, it's me Sven from the channel BFD Drives, and well, I also want to tell you that on my other channel, my vlogging channel, the Battlefield Doctor, that's what BFD actually stands, there's always coming a little preview about everything. And yeah, but well, here it's of course only going about cars and not about my trips. And so yeah, now guys, welcome to the Cars and Coffee in Bad Liebenzell. So guys, now let's start with this wonderful Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This is already facelift, and here also something wonderful with a greeting to Tip Top Motors in United Kingdom. This guys here is a Triumph GT6, also really a rare sight here in Germany, and it's also something pretty rare. This is a BMW 700. So this here is the BMW 700 Cabriolet. I'm not sure, I'm thinking this is even a sport, if it's the same one that I've seen a few times before at some classic car meetings over here. Oh, it's only one of the last 10 remaining ones, and yes, and it's the sport. I'm showing you also the front once again. So well guys, this is just one of the last, I have to get to the other side, just one of the last 10 examples of this one. So here you can see also the rear end of it, only 10 remaining. That's something that I didn't expect it. And here guys, Triumph GT6. It's kind of looking to me like a Spitfire SN Coupe. So and here guys, the beautiful Karmann Ghia. I'm thinking it's the first facelift. There must have been one more, because I can remember that there was one with bigger taillights. But now music is starting and I'm thinking I have to mute everything. And well guys, I'm thinking I have to mute some parts and putting some audio over it, but well, you've already noticed because of the last clip. Here guys, this is the Mercedes-Benz 220 that I've also seen yesterday. The guy also already saw me and he recognized me even when today I'm not wearing my beard anymore. I've seen this Audi D3 Cabriolet. I think it's the Type 8G. I've seen this one also in Cars at the Altblech Festival. I've seen this Thurner RS at the Carsandcoffee Coffee afterwards back in Sindelfingen. Very interesting, guys, NSU. Also some information about the car. Beautiful. Rain. I think I've seen this one in Oppenweiler. Because I can remember this thing. And this guy's here is a Porsche 912. It's an US import. I'm thinking, but not 100% certain. So the 912 had the engine of the 356C. And here, guys, a Porsche 911. Probably this is a 930. Also beautiful in this color scheme. If this ein 69er ist. I'm not sure if this is really a 69er. I'm thinking must be something way older.